Good afternoon, Recon here with Techout. I just wanted to make a video on the MacBook keyboard issues. Specifically, this is a 2017 13-inch MacBook Pro with the touch bar, as you can see. And I just wanted to... I'm not going to deny the fact that there may or may not be issues with the keyboard. I just want to say that I have not had a single issue with my keyboard in terms of... Well, not in terms of... I haven't had an issue with the keyboard at all. And as you can see here, this isn't the cleanest MacBook in existence. There's some crumbs in here, you know, where the screen is, where the hinge is. You know, there's like some water spots right here, not water spots, but like drops where, you know, from like eating over it and stuff like that. I use this computer like at my desk while I eat at the laptop. It gets dirty. You know, there's crud on the screen, there's dust on it, all that kind of stuff. And the keyboard still functions and has always functioned perfectly fine. So I think people are throwing the issue a little bit out of context when, oh, I got a little tiny speck of dust under my keyboard and the key stopped working. No, it doesn't work that way. There's people that have gotten their keyboard replaced and literally like spread crumbs over the keyboard trying to get the keyboard to mess up again to prove that the keyboard has issues. And I just want to point something out, that these are switches under here. So if you get something under here that's going to block the travel of the key, obviously it's going to stop working. That's going to happen on a MacBook, that's going to happen on a Dell, that's going to happen on a Razer keyboard, that's going to happen on a Corsair keyboard, on a mechanical keyboard, on a membrane keyboard. If you get something under here that's going to block the travel of the key, it's not going to press down, it's going to get stuck. That happens. So you spreading, you know, crumbs and crud over your keyboard, trying to get stuff trapped under the keys to mess the keyboard up, that's on you. You know, you got to keep your stuff. That's like not changing the oil in your car and saying the engine blows up. What do you expect? So I think it's partly on the user here to keep their keyboard and their computer clean, and I think that would remedy a lot of the issues that we're seeing. Sure, there may be a defect in the keyboard that allows more stuff than usual to get trapped under the keys. And, you know, maybe with the new second generation scissor mechanism on the keys, maybe it does affect the travel of the key for smaller, you know, debris and stuff like that under the keyboard. But I definitely think it's on the end user here to keep their stuff clean. And I think that would remedy a lot of the issues we've been seeing, and not being some irresponsible user and jamming a bunch of crap under their keyboard trying to get the keyboard to mess up. So that's just my take on it. I haven't had any issues. I think, you know, it's mainly an end user kind of thing with, you know, you getting gunk under your keyboard. Clean it up a little bit and I think it'll help the issue a lot. Colin with Techout. If you have any comments on this video, leave them down in the comment section below. And as always, don't forget to comment, rate, and subscribe, and have a great day.